Hi, I'm Michael Hurren. I'm a cinematographer, photographer and Olympus visionary. Shooting desert racing is both hard on the photographer and camera. What drew me to the Olympus system was its small size, lightweight and ruggedness. I'm often walking many kilometres in the central Australian desert with a full kit of cameras on my back, and the conditions I shoot in can be horrendous. Off-road race cars can travel on rough terrain sometimes faster than 200 km per hour. Tracking and capturing these vehicles' airtime between the bumps is essential. With the introduction of the OMD EM1 Mark II, I had a package that was fast enough to shoot a trophy truck in the desert. Now with the OMD EM1X, I have a camera where all of my favourite features are refined and more. The vertical grip and button placement fit my hand perfectly, and the new toggles give me quicker access to move my focus points. Having a little bit more mass in the body also helps me to balance along the lenses like the Enzuko 300mm f4. The new intelligent subject detection focus feature identifies that I'm shooting cars and locks on without me having to move my focus points. That's one less thing for me to worry about, and all I need to do now is frame and capture the truck using the camera's high burst rate. To get the best shot, you've got to put yourself on the dirty side of the track. Over the years I've used the OMD system, I've put my cameras through so much punishment, from glaciers, torrential rain, extreme heat and loads of outback dust. I've never once had to clean my sensor, and my cameras have never stopped. When you've walked so far into the desert and you only get one chance to shoot the cars as they pass, you need to be able to rely on your gear. With EM1X's improved weather sealing and dust reduction, it's a camera I can rely on. When shooting in the desert, lack of light isn't a problem. So I put the OMD EM1X's 7 stops of stabilisation to use on my panning shots, giving me sharp pans at low shutter speeds. Also when shooting out of a moving helicopter, I find the range of the Enzuko 12-100 f4 super convenient. The new intelligent subject detection means I can keep the truck in frame, and the internal stabiliser combined with the inland stabiliser gives me an extra half a stop for consistently sharp images. When shooting jumps and sand dunes, you don't get to see the truck until it's airborne and coming straight at you. The EM1X acquires the truck quickly and holds focus until it's left the frame. The EM1X has changed the way I shoot motorsport. From focus speed, high frame rate, ruggedness, reliability, and brand new technology like intelligent subject detection, this camera lets me push the boundaries of my photography.